I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by validating prerequisites: Veeam installed, license active, and repositories reachable. Next, add or confirm the backup repository and its retention settings so jobs have storage. Once done, register your VMware or Hyper-V hosts and check service account credentials. If they fail, fix permissions now. Then create a new job wizard and select workloads to protect. This immediate action prevents errors later and establishes a controlled baseline for the rest of the process. You now configure the job specifics so backups are consistent and efficient. Choose target VMs and apply include/exclude filters to avoid unnecessary data. Then select the backup proxy and transport mode for optimal throughput and set compression and deduplication levels to balance performance and space. Once done, enable application-aware processing and supply guest OS credentials for transaction consistency. This ensures databases and apps are quiesced correctly. Finally, define the schedule and retention policy to match recovery objectives. You execute the backup job and watch the session in the console to catch issues early. Examine throughput and processed VM counts. Once done, verify backups by performing an instant VM recovery or a file restore test to confirm usability. If something goes wrong, start by checking proxy status, repository free space, and service account credentials, then review VM logs for errors. Make sure to rerun the job and validate fixes. This closes the loop and ensures recoverability when it matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.